The Competitive Exclusion Principle tells us two species with identical niches competing for the same resource cannot coexist indefinitely. It sounds simple, but then we look at nature. Forests, reefs, grasslands. Everywhere we see an incredible variety of species living together. So how is that possible? How can so many species share the same place without one eventually taking over? To understand that, we first need to talk about what a niche actually is. In ecology, a niche is basically the role a species plays in its environment. It includes the non-living conditions it needs, things like temperature, water, sunlight, and the interaction it has with other living organisms. Predators, prey, competitors, all of these make up the ecological niche. If two species fill exactly the same niche and depend on exactly the same resource, competition will be strongest. And according to the Competitive Exclusion Principle, one of them will eventually lose. But in the real world, that rarely happens. Species are surprisingly good at avoiding complete overlap and reducing direct competition. Many species share space by adjusting how, where, or when they use resources. For example, spatial separation, birds feeding on the same tree but at different heights or different branches. Temporal separation, bats and birds may eat similar insects, but one hunts at night and the other during the day. Slight diet differences. Two species might live side by side, but specialize in different seed size or prey types. Different life strategies. One species may be an efficient competitor, while another is a fast disperser. These differences mean they don't fully overlap, and that opens the door for coexistence. Sometimes coexistence depends on disturbance, such as fire or storms. Imagine two plant species. Plant A is a strong competitor, great at nutrients uptake. Plant B isn't as competitive, but it's excellent at dispersing quickly. After a disturbance like fire, Plant B arrives first because it disperses quickly. Later, Plant A arrives and may outcompete Plant B over time. But if disturbance happens regularly, Plant B keeps getting new chances to colonize before A takes over completely. When disturbances happen at the right frequency, not too often and not too rarely, both species can coexist. Coexistence can also happen when individuals of the same species compete more strongly with each other than with individuals of another species. This keeps each species in check and prevents one from completely overwhelming the other. So in short, species that rely on the same resources can still coexist if they divide resources, use habitats at different times, specialize in different foods, disperse differently, benefit from disturbance, or experience strong competition within their own species than between species. Nature is diverse, not because species avoid competition entirely, but because they adjust, specialize, and take advantage of opportunity created by chance.